Welcome class 12th in accountancy class. Today I am just teaching you the new topic in partnership accounts, that is guarantee of profit. As per the partnership agreement, old partners they give guarantee of profit to the new partner or partners. So he will get the minimum profit. There should be a guarantee of the minimum profit. Here I am explaining one example. Example number 1. A, B and C. These are three partners and they share profit in the ratio of 5:3:2. As per partnership agreement, C is having guarantee. Guarantee of minimum profit. Minimum profit of rupees 10,000. C is having guarantee of minimum profit of rupees 10,000 in any year, in any condition. And if he gets 10,000 and more, there is no matter of any adjustment. But if the share of profit, normal share in this ratio, 5:3:2, if the share of profit for C is less than 10,000, so that will be sacrificed by A and B, who are old partners, in their internal ratio. This is known as their internal ratio. Now here I am showing the profit. The firm earned a net profit rupees 40,000 during the year. And you are instructed to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. You are instructed to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So my dear, the firm has earned 40,000 during the year. This profit will be distributed among A, B and C in their normal ratio, that is 5:3:2. That I will show in the profit and loss appropriation account. And then we will see the share of profit is equal or less or more than the guaranteed amount. This is known as guaranteed amount. So here I am showing you the profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. It is made for the year ending. Debit side and this is the credit side. As I have shown here, it is actual in the form of question. Once again I will read. A, B, C are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3. And C is having guarantee of minimum profit of rupees 10,000. And then the next information in the question that the firm earned a net profit rupees 40,000 during the year. And you are instructed to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. So first of all, this 40,000 will be transferred to the credit of the profit and loss appropriation account by profit brought down. This is 40,000. And now I am distributing this profit to the partners. To partners capital account. As I have taught in the previous video, it can be transferred to partners capital account as well as in the partners current account. That depends upon the method of keeping capital account. So the normal share of A and B and C here, that will be in the ratio of 5:3:2. I am showing the more information in the profit and loss appropriation account. Actually that is not allowed, but to just understand, I am showing the ratio also, and I will show some calculation also. So in this ratio, the profit will be distributed. A will get, listen, A, B and C, that is 5:3:2. You should know this much, that 5 means it is 5/10, 3 means it is 3/10, and 2 means 2/10. 10 is the total of the ratio. So that will be distributed to the profit, which is 40,000. That will be distributed in this fraction, that is 5/10 of 40,000. That is 5 4 20,000. I am writing this amount here, that A will get 20,000. B will get 3/10 of 40,000. That is 3 4 12,000. And C will get 2/10 of 40,000. That is equal to 8,000. B will get 12,000 and C will get 8,000. 8,000. My dear students, you see, when the profit 40,000, that is distributed among the partners in their normal ratio, which is given in the partnership agreement, that comes 20,000 for A, 12,000 for B and 8,000 for C. C is having a guarantee of minimum profit, that is rupees 10,000, and he is getting as share of profit, that is 8,000. Is it clear? So the share of profit that is less than the guaranteed amount, so the deficiency will be adjusted or will be sacrificed by A and B in their internal ratio, as I have told here, that this is the internal ratio. If there is no any special instruction about the sacrifice, so the deficiency, here I will show the deficiency. Guaranteed amount for C, that is equal to rupees 10,000, and here I am subtracting the share which he has already received minus share of C, that is rupees 8,000. This 2,000, this is the deficiency. This is deficiency. And this deficiency will be borne by A and B in their internal ratio, that is 5:3. 5:3 means 5 upon 8. 5 means 5 upon 8. And 3 means 3 upon 8. The deficiency that will be borne by A and B in their internal ratio, this is the internal ratio. So here I will show the calculation that A will sacrifice 5/8 of the deficiency, that is 2000, is equal to 1250. You should understand this much calculation, my dear. And B will sacrifice 3/8 of 2000. That is equal to 750. You can solve this. 8 1 ja 8 and 8 2 ja 16 and 8 5 ja 40. 250. 250 is 25. 5 ja 125. That comes 1250. So these are the two amounts which will be sacrificed by these two partners who have given the guarantee to C. These two partners are guarantor and this partner is having guarantee. So this portion, this amount will be subtracted from the share of A, that is 1250. 20,000 minus 1250, that is equal to 18,750. So finally A will get 18,750 in this distribution, this appropriation account. B will sacrifice 750 minus 750 is equal to 11,250. This is the second amount. And whatever is sacrificed by A, that is 1250, that will be added with the share of C, 1250 plus the sacrifice amount by B, that is 750. Finally, he will get rupees 10,000. And then the account is balanced. 40,000 and 40,000. So this is the simple concept of the guarantee of profit. When C is having guarantee and A and B, they have given the guarantee. So this is the distribution. I have shown the calculation inside of the, actually it is not allowed, but it is to just understand the question. It is shown inside of the profit and loss appropriation account. Students, I am giving another example, that is example number 2. A, B and C are partners and the same ratio I am using, 5:3:2. And in this example, B is having guarantee. Guarantee of profit. B is having guarantee of profit and B is having guarantee of profit of rupees 25,000. Guarantee of profit rupees, here I will write rupees 25,000. In the previous example, C was having guarantee, but here the B is having guarantee and the guaranteed amount is 25,000 and the firm has earned a net profit during the year during the year rupees 60,000, and you are instructed to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. As B is having guarantee, if B gets equal to 25,000 or more than 25,000, so there is no matter of any adjustment. But if B gets less than 25,000, so that will be adjusted or that will be sacrificed by A and C in their internal ratio, that is 5:2. This is very important thing. In the previous illustration example, I told you about the internal ratio, and again in this, that the internal ratio of AC who have given the guarantee, that is 5:2. Now I am showing this through the appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. It is for the year ending credit side, debit side. As in the question, the net profit earned during the year, that will be shown in the credit side by profit brought down, and it is rupees 60,000. And now I am just distributing to dividing the profit to the partners, to partners capital account A, B and C. So first of all, the profit, this profit will be distributed to A, B and C in the ratio of 5:3:2, and that will be A will get 5/10 of 60,000. 0 cancelled, 6 5 30. A will get 30,000, that I can write here, is equal to 30,000. B will get 3/10 of 60,000, that is equal to 18,000. And C will get 2/10 of 60,000 is equal to 6 to 12,000. As you can see here, my dear, B is having guarantee, and he has got 18,000 as normal profit in the normal distribution, and the guaranteed amount of C is 25,000. Here I will show the calculation. Guaranteed amount is equal to rupees 25,000. 25,000. And the share that I will write here, that is 18,000, and for C it is 12,000. Guaranteed amount, it is for C, that is 25,000, and share he has received, that is rupees 18,000. The deficiency is 15 minus 7 is equal to 7,000. This is the deficiency. And this will be borne by A and C in their internal ratio, that is 5:2. 5:2. This 7,000 will be borne by A and C. Here I am showing the calculation. You can understand here also. A 5 by 7 into 7,000. That is equal to 5,000. A will sacrifice rupees 5,000 and B will sacrifice 2 by 7 of 7,000. That is equal to rupees 2,000. Sorry, not B, that is C. C is having guarantee. This 7,000 will be sacrificed by A and C in the ratio of 5:2. That is their internal ratio. And that amount is shown here, that A will sacrifice 5,000 and C will sacrifice rupees 2,000. Here I am showing minus 5,000. So finally A will receive 30 minus 5 is equal to 25,000. This is the final profit. The total amount is here. And the sacrifice amount will be added with the share of B's profit, who is having the guarantee, rupees 5,000. And C will sacrifice rupees 2,000 minus 2,000. So finally he will get 10,000. And this 2,000 will be added with the share of B 2,000. So 18 plus 5, 23, and 23 plus 2 is equal to 25,000. Finally, B will get 25,000, which is equal to the guaranteed amount, and C will get 10,000 as share of profit. Account is balanced 60,000. 60,000. This is the second illustration, my dear. Now I am explaining the third example, that A, B and C are partners. 5:3:2 is their ratio, and C is having guarantee. And guaranteed amount is rupees 5,000. That C will get minimum 5,000 in any year. And the special condition is in this agreement that if any deficiency comes in the share of C, that will be given by A only. In my previous illustrations, that was given, or that was sacrificed by any two of the partners. So any deficiency in the guaranteed amount, in the profit, or we can write guaranteed amount. Guaranteed amount of C will be given by A only. This is the new style, that any deficiency that comes, that will be given by A. That can be given by B also. We can change the name, but here I am explaining for A only. And the third next instruction, information in the question, that the net profit of the firm is rupees 20,000 during the year. During the year, you are instructed to make the profit and loss appropriation account. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. It is a complete question. A, B, C are partners, share profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3. C is having a guarantee of rupees 5,000 as minimum profit. Minimum profit. And the special condition is given that any deficiency in the guaranteed amount of C will be given by A only. And the net profit earned by the firm is rupees 20,000 during the year, and you are instructed to prepare profit and loss appropriation account in the books of firm. Here I am showing the profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. This is for the year ended. The profit, that is 20,000. Here I will show by profit brought down. Profit brought down 20,000. And now I am distributing this profit among the partners A, B and C. 2. Partners capital account. Once again I am reminding you, my dear, here in every example I am showing to partners capital account, but that may be partners current account also. You should know the methods of keeping partners capital account. If method is fixed, this will be transferred to the current account. If it is written partners capital account, it means that is the fluctuating capital method. Here A, B and C. So ABC, the simple distribution of rupees 20,000. Profit is 20,000 and that is distributed to A, B, C in the ratio of 5:3:2. That is why A will get 5/10 of 20,000. That is equal to 10,000. B will get 3/10 of 20,000. That is equal to 6,000. And C will get 2/10 of 20,000. That is equal to rupees 4,000. See, I am writing, showing the amount here. A is getting 10,000, B is getting 6,000, and C is getting 4,000. My dear, share of C, who is having guarantee, has got rupees 4,000 as normal share of profit, but his guaranteed amount is 5,000. Guaranteed amount is 5,000 and share of C is, guaranteed amount of C is 5,000 and share of C is 4,000. So here no need to show the calculation, simply the deficiency, it is for C. Guaranteed amount is rupees 5,000 minus share, that is rupees 4,000. The deficiency that is rupees 1,000, and this 1,000 will be given by A only. This will be sacrificed by A only. So I am subtracting 1,000 from the share of A. That is why A will get 9,000 as share of profit, There is no changes in the share of B, and that will be added with the share of C, that is 1000. So finally he will get 5000. It is already 6000. So the account is balanced, my dear. You should know the proper balancing. The method of balancing you should know very clearly. 20,000. So this is the complete concept of the guarantee of profit. Sometimes more adjustments are made by the partners, but this is enough, my dear. You learn these styles and practice the numerical questions. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.